Hi there. Do you think you know what a fixed income annuity with an income rider is? Well, by the end of this video, I'll make sure you know exactly what one is before you go signing on that dotted line. I'm Michael Malone, and for the best annuity advice and information, do be sure to subscribe to my channel here, and then also be sure to click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload other new videos. Now let's break this down into its parts. You have a fixed income annuity and you have an income rider. So let's break them down a little bit to kind of walk through this. A fixed income annuity, what you want to know about the fixed income portion of an annuity is fixed refers to the growth that's going to happen in the benefit as you're waiting to take income in retirement. So you know that once you invest into that fixed income annuity, from the time you put the funds into the annuity until the time you start taking income out of the annuity, that value, that benefit that you have is going to grow at a fixed amount, say maybe 3, 4, 5% per year. So that first, when you talk about a fixed income annuity, that means that while you're waiting and letting that annuity grow and mature prior to using it in retirement, you can feel comfortable in knowing that on an annual basis, that annuity is going to grow at a fixed amount, which is contractual with the insurance company that has offered you that annuity. Now, the other part of a fixed income annuity is once you get into retirement and once you turn on that income as you move through retirement. Now, what that means, the fixed income part there means, is once you turn on that income, you know that that income is going to be for a fixed amount every pay period. Whether you're receiving income from that annuity on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, annual basis, which is really up to you, you know that because this is a fixed income annuity, that the amount you receive each pay period is going to be the same. Now, the income rider part of this annuity. So we talked about a fixed income annuity with income rider. The income rider is typically what's referred to as a guaranteed retirement income benefit. So you've got this fixed annuity in which the investment you've put into the annuity is growing at a fixed rate until you start taking that income in retirement. Then we know that when we turn on that income in retirement, that's going to be for a fixed amount each payment that we receive. The income rider portion refers to that income that we're now receiving. And what that income rider typically is, as I just mentioned, is a guaranteed retirement income benefit. That simply means that once you turn on that income rider, that you're going to have income for the rest of your life, for the rest of your retirement. So if you turn on that income rider, if you turn on that guaranteed retirement income at say 59 and a half years old, which is typically the earliest you'd want to do that, you're going to have contractually guaranteed retirement income on behalf of the insurance company coming to you throughout the rest of your life, throughout the rest of your retirement. And that's what the income rider portion of a fixed income with income rider annuity is. And by the way, if you'd like to have an annuity designed specifically for you, and perhaps this type of fixed income annuity with an income rider, if you'd like to have that uniquely designed for you around, say, that guaranteed retirement income, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And after you're done watching this video, I would recommend watching the other video I've created called What Are the 4 Types of Annuities? Now in that video, and the reason why I would recommend watching it, is in that video you're not only going to learn about these type of fixed annuities, but you're also going to get a feel for really what are the 4 basic types of annuities in comparison to this fixed income annuity. Oh, and by the way, I'll go ahead and include that link to the description in the description for you down below as well. Now, to kind of wrap up on this fixed income annuity, a fixed income annuity really can work well for you in the retirement planning that you're doing. If you're looking for a tool that is going to give you that consistent growth in the planning towards your retirement. So if you're looking at saying, boy, I'm 45, 50 years old, whatever the case may be, and I'm looking, 5, 10, 15 years out at my retirement, maybe 20 years out at my retirement, but this fixed annuity, this fixed income annuity will give me that fixed growth every year. And I know that the benefit when I get to my retirement, again, whether that's 5 or 10 or 15 years out, I know because that's fixed every year, I know what that income benefit's going to look like when I get there. If that gives you peace of mind in the overall retirement planning that you're doing, a fixed income annuity can really work well in that instance. Now, the fixed portion of this fixed income annuity also really works well if you're looking at the different tools that you're using in your overall retirement plan and you're saying, hey, I'd like to have a tool in retirement, and part of that overall layering of my income in retirement that gives me consistent income, a consistent amount of income every pay period, every month, every quarter, every year, however you're doing that you want to have that consistent income, that you know what that dollar amount's going to be, and that's the role that you want to have this tool play, then the fixed income portion of this annuity can also work really well in retirement as well in addressing that. And one last item I would leave you with in regards to this fixed income annuity, when we talk about that fixed income and we talk about the income rider portion, that guaranteed retirement income portion of the annuity, I would want you to know that in a lot of the annuities that are offered out there, and a lot of the fixed income annuities in particular, you may have the option of having that guaranteed retirement income also carry on to your spouse. So again, let's just step back for a moment. Let's say you turn on that guaranteed retirement income for yourself at 59 and a half years old when you retire. And you know that that guaranteed retirement income is going to be there for you throughout your retirement, throughout the rest of your life until you pass away. But when you do pass away, let's say your spouse is still here. They're still doing great and they have X number of years of retirement still ahead of them. It's possible, depending upon the annuity that you're investigating, that guaranteed retirement income can continue on for your spouse as well, even after you're no longer here. And so once again, as I mentioned before, if you would like to have an annuity designed uniquely for you, and say specifically around as an example this guaranteed retirement income we've been chatting about, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And if you've enjoyed this video today, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel here, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I hope something good happens to you out there today.